Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today we are making very spicy chicken buns, chicken rolls, whatever you want to name it. And actually the schools are starting soon, so kids will love these chicken rolls. You can actually bake ahead and freeze them for several weeks, and I'm sure your kids will love it. All right, let's get started. To make the dough, we need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2.5 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 egg, and 1 cup of warm milk. Okay guys, we are going to add everything now. So sugar, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2.5 teaspoons of instant yeast, 3 tablespoon oil, and 1 cup of warm milk. Actually, I forgot to add the egg, so I'm adding the egg now, and we're going to mix everything. Okay guys, so our dough is ready. Now we are going to cover it and leave it for at least 1 hour or until it's double in size. For the chicken filling, we need 1 cup of cooked shredded chicken, 1 medium onion, 1 tablespoon of oil, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 2 tablespoons green chillies chopped, 1 tablespoon of coriander chopped, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, garam masala and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and finally we need 1 cup of milk. Okay, I'm going to add oil, onion, I'm going to add the chopped onions, the chopped garlic, and all the spices. Add the chicken. This filling is going to be super spicy because I added 2 tablespoons of chopped green chilies and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. So it is going to be super spicy. If you don't want that spicy, then you can cut on the red chili powder and green chili. Now I'm going to pour in 1 cup of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander chopped and green chilies. Okay, our stuffing is ready. Okay, our dough is double in size. Now we are going to fill it up. Now we are going to start rolling them. Okay, now we are going to do the stuffing. Put the stuffing in, right in on top. And then I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. You can use mozzarella cheese as well if you don't want to use cheddar cheese. Okay, so we are going to close from the front and then on the side, just like that. Okay, we are going to leave the dinner rolls for 20 minutes and then we are going to bake them. Okay, our chicken rolls were resting for 20 minutes. Now they're ready. We are going to brush it with egg yolk. Now I'm going to sprinkle them with sesame seed. Now I'm going to add the black seed. This is also called clongy seeds. Okay, now we are going to bake them on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Alright guys, so our stuffed chicken buns are ready. They look so good and they smell so good. I can smell the oregano. Okay, so now we are going to cut it and I'm going to show you how it looks from inside. They're so fluffy. Okay guys, look at this. Look at this, how beautiful it is. I'm going to show you like this. Look how fluffy it is. Okay guys, I'm going to show you from inside. Look at that, how creamy and soft the buns are. Beautiful. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel Ashley and hit the bell icon for notification, and don't forget to try this recipe. It is really good, and if you have kids, they're going to love this. All right, take care. Bye-bye.